Hard-hitting snowstorm in the Northeast causing major flight delays and cancellations this holiday weekend. A lot of disrupted travel. Allie Bowman has the latest from New York City.
As the winter storm hit overnight, hundreds of flights were canceled or delayed across the Northeast and the Great Lakes. Some travelers were luckier than others. Florida resident Regina Stone landed at New Jersey's Newark International Airport after her flight was canceled.
We just had to rebook, and we took about an hour to figure out how we were going to get here, and we made it.
About 4 inches of snow fell in New York Friday night into early Saturday, which was somewhat below forecast for a bigger storm. Out on Long Island, people are still digging out from the post-Christmas snowfall.
I'm a little surprised because they said that the north side of the island was going to get hit a little bit harder and that we might escape with 4 inches. I think we got like 5 or 6.
Yeah, 7.
7?
Almost 7.
Lucky me.
In Times Square, workers cleared the melting snow and powder-coated streets and sidewalks using shovels and snowblowers.
The city's working pretty well to get all the roads salted and everything, so it's all right.
Peyton Baker and Colby Gray, who were visiting New York from West Virginia on Saturday, said the snow was a Christmas surprise for their 3rd anniversary trip. And in Central Park, people of all ages made the most of the snow once it was clear that the storm had passed. Allie Bowman, CBS News, New York.
And of course, those flight delays coming ahead of the busiest travel day of the holiday season, with the TSA expecting 2.86 million travelers on Sunday alone.